Hi guys, welcome to SA Kicks and Reviews. Today we're going to be reviewing the Gillette straight razor or the jack razor. Now Gillette's aim is to bring professional barber experience to your homes, hence the reason they created this Gillette straight razor. Now as we can see, the straight razor has a hard plastic handle. Guys, hit that subscribe button and stay connected for more reviews. It has Gillette inscribed on the top metal piece of the straight razor. Hard plastic handle. It does feel solid. It has a good weight to it as well. It's not light or cheaply made. It has a bit of play on the handle, which may be a bit unsafe. So you need to be careful when using it due to the play on the handle. It does feel comfortable in the hand. It's nice and shiny. It has a chrome effect to it. It looks very smart, very elegant. The clasp opens up very easy. And we can see around it exactly how it looks. So let's split open the centerpiece of the razor. And now we're going to install a blade. Now as you can see, I've broken a piece of blade already, ready for the illustration purpose of this video. So it locks in nicely. The clasp on top is quite strong. My only concern is the flimsy handle, which may open very fast and may be a bit dangerous to use. You just have to be very cautious. It does feel comfortable on the hand. The clasp is strong. The razor is strong. As I've said, just a bit of play on the handle, but overall it is a good quality razor.